Hey guys, please come online. I've got something I want to show everyone. Hello, thanks for watching. What is it, sweetie? Okay, I'm going to put you on my back now. Hey, sweetie. Hi. Thanks for watching. I quickly had to go and attend to my kid. I've got something I want to show you guys today that I normally advise people to do, even I do it at home by myself, for my own self. So I'm going to show you guys. It's my infused tea and water. Very healthy, very good. Yesterday I ate something I was not supposed to eat because I told you guys I was on diet. So I needed to clean up my system. Yes, I've got some strawberries, cucumber, kiwi, for most of us that don't have kiwi. Good morning, thanks for watching. I've got ginger, I've got my lemon, honey, this is natural honey, so just so natural, and my infused tea here. This one contains apple, some blueberry, some lemon, some orange, and I've got my bottle, my jar to store them. So quickly I'm going to cut this strawberry and put them in the jar. Do a quick wash. Okay, these things are really healthy, like the strawberry, the infused tea. The strawberry I'm cutting now is really good, because strawberry is good for weight loss a lot. It improves it. Do you know if you eat one full hand of strawberry a day, you're eating like 3% of fiber. And also it's very good for vitamin C. Hey sweetie, what is it? There's calcium in it. We're just going to add this little part of strawberry in the jar. I've got the iced, thanks for watching. I've got the infused tea already in water. What I did is just heat the water a little bit, dip in the infused tea just to bring out those extracts from them. Hey sweetie, what is it? Here, this one is for the tea, okay? This is not the infused one, this is for the tea. And I'm going to add just one of this kiwi. Please, for anybody that wants to lose weight, these things are really good. Especially when you've eaten some kind of food every day and your stomach is this big that it's very hard for you to stew. This would really help you wash them out. Please tag, share, and invite your friends. You never know who would need it. Please share the video. Let's share. I'm peeling out the kiwi, the skin from the kiwi. So we have just the fruit inside. I'm going to cut the kiwi. Kiwi is very good. It has so many nutrients in it, which is good for weight loss. We should try and add that to our fruit diet. I'm going to put the kiwi in the jar. Just quickly. I'm telling you, if you wake up in the morning and you take this before your shake, my goodness, you feel so good. full of energy. So I've got my strawberry and my kiwi inside, and now I'm just going to pour my tea inside the jar. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at the color. It's just amazing. Okay, and a little bit of honey. Please try and watch the kind of honey you buy. Make sure it's natural. Make sure it's a natural honey. I've got natural honey here. Please share the video. Let's help ourselves. Let's help people know what they can do. I'm just going to add 1 spoon of honey just to give it a natural sweetness. I'm going to stir. This is just a really good color. Taking this in the morning before your shake, you feel empty. Before the day goes out, you just feel empty. So this is it for my infused tea. I've got some kiwi inside and some strawberries. Very nice. And they really taste good. So you're just going to leave that for like 3 hours before taking a cup. And you can even take it within 2 days. So I'm going to keep that aside. And now I'm going to go to my detox water. What I'll be adding is lemon, ginger, cucumber. These 3 things, they're really good. It's very good for ginger because you get hydrated during the day. You don't actually lose water, which water is very good for the health. It just helps you digest quickly. Okay, I'll cut just half of this cucumber inside my jar. Please share the video. Some people need to know these things to wash off their system, to clean up their system, because if you're trying to lose weight and you're not detoxing, I'm telling you, nothing would work. It will not work. So share the video. So I've got my jar. I'm going to put some cucumber in there, just a little bit of cucumber in there, and then my lemon. Just add some lemon, just to make it, because lemon is very good for weight loss also. Lemon, yes. If you're taking lemon water every day to replace those your beverages like coffee in the morning and your milk and sugar, you just use lemon to. Sorry, I got a call. So now I've got that. I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. Just some ginger. Thanks for watching. Please share the video. You never know who would want it. Doing these things with our products, that's how you see people getting results. They continue to get results and give us feedback. Nice feedbacks. I just posted of a lady who just gave birth 1 week ago and she's already on the products. And she looks good. I'm just going to use this small ginger here. I just cut, add it in there, and then put some water. Okay, here we go. This would be left till the morning. I'm sure so many of us knows how to do this thing. I'm sure so many of us does. This one is the infused tea I made. I just put the tea inside the water just to bring out the extract, of which the tea has some fruit in it. It's blueberry infused tea. So I got some strawberry, some kiwi. I just throw it in there and a little bit of honey. It makes this. You can start drinking from 30 minutes. You just have to wait for 30 minutes to start drinking it. And I also got some of this, my infused water. It's got cucumber, lemon, and ginger. This one, you gotta leave it to the next day. If you're taking this and using our products for weight loss, I'm telling you, at Christmas time, people will be like surprised. They will be like, what are you using? Why? How did you lose so much weight? Seriously. So if you would like to join our new program again, there's a new strength coming up. It's next month. To lose weight before Christmas. It's a challenge. It's a big challenge. If you'd like to join us, please and please send me a message quickly. Oh. Don't let them see you the way you were, the same way last year, to see you again like this, the same way December. So please send me a message. Let me help. Hey, sweetie. And that's it, guys. That's how I do my infused things, just to clean up myself, detox my body. Please share this video. You never know who you're helping. You never know who is going to need it. Share it. Tag your friends that you think would need it. If you know you're slim and you don't need the product and you think everything is okay, my sister, even the product is for everybody. Definitely there's one or two things each one of us we want. We want to make our hair look longer. We want a better skin. We want to have that flat tummy. You can be slim and have a big stomach. It happens. It's just how nature is. Anyway, if you want the product or you know anybody who wants it, share to them. Let them contact me, because fat no good though. Really, it's not good. It's not good for us. We need to start adapting to healthy living. That's it for the day, guys. See you in the evening. Yeah, I'll be showing my meal. Come online if you like to see what I do every day, how I eat, how my healthy lifestyle and living go. Come online, and I'll see you in the evening. Bye, everybody.